Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page, the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, July the 13th, July the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles in this puzzle page: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and a binary. And it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah. By the way, in this newspaper, told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles for the Sunday. So we have only one regular puzzle, the Samurai Sudoku. It will take me more than an hour to solve, so that puzzle I will do tomorrow on Sunday. But let me finish this one. This one, Jigsaw Sudoku, will be 8896. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Maybe it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, 13 minutes. Well, could be a 1 star. 1 star need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. Question is it a 1-star puzzle or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. I see only one single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box. And here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or 5. 4 or a 5. Here, another triple box, the numbers could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now, but the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. Then quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these are 3 boxes, so around the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 should be there. And other numbers could be everywhere. Well, let me see. No quadra boxes. More, no. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here, and then when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape of this kind. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. And this one is also connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes, surround one can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Will be also a 3. Then these two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this corner box should be supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this corner box for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5 on the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then this box can be a 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 5, that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then let me see. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. Yeah, I need to think now. 2 and 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, I think this box should be a 5 here. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 here. Can be a 3. Can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be a 5. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be and the 2 goes there. 11 minutes. Finished in 11 minutes. Told you, if cannot be a 1 star, let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon or in the evening. We have a Samurai Sudoku left. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.